Hey guys, I just had a little update for you today. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but next week is spring break. This Friday is Good Friday, so you guys have off school technically on Friday and all of next week. So I'm not going to be putting up new assignments. I will put up reminders for what you should be doing today and tomorrow and Thursday. After that, I won't have anything until we come back from spring break. Okay, well, will we start digitally learning again from spring break because we're not coming back from school at that time. So this is what I posted today. Um, we have reviewed all of the body systems, but I do not want to start anything new because of spring break. So what I'm doing today and tomorrow is I'm going to be going over your Education Galaxy reports, and then I'm going to be sending a report in an email to your Google email so you can see what subjects you still need to work on, okay? Go ahead and assign this to all 3 classes. Okay, so this is what your report will look like. I'm gonna take a screenshot of your Ed Galaxy, and this is just the student's Ed Galaxy. So what I would like you to do is go through each subject. I'm going to do the same. So like for instance, this student has an overall score of 65 on predicting weather, first attempt 50%, last attempt 80%. Since predicting weather is such a big portion of the EOG, I will recommend the student go back and review predicting weather. This one, weather conditions, last attempt 100. I'm going to leave that there, okay? So last attempt 100, 100, 100, 90, 90, 100. So this student in particular, I would have them review heat and review predicting weather, okay? So, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please respond to the email that I sent to your school email and ask me. Otherwise, you'll be getting this report in your email today or tomorrow, guys. I have 51 of you, so I'm going to try to get everybody done today, but it might be tomorrow, okay? So I hope y'all have a good rest of your week.